Hi everyone, my name is Michelle and today I'll be setting up my Creality 3D model name CR-10 3D printer. I bought it recently, well not so recent, I bought it in March, so quite a number of months back. I'm just intimidated to set it up, worried that it's not gonna work out. But with the YouTuber's guide, the link is below the screen. So hopefully with his guide, everything will work out. Let's get started. Okay, let's unbox. It's November now, so it's quite a number of months back since the last time I received it, since I last received it, so 8 months ago. Oh. This is the printing bed and the print out. Alright, he did mention that we need to tighten the bolts so that the board moves, the heating bed, the heated bed. So it doesn't move now? The right direction. Okay, it moves now. It doesn't move. Moves, doesn't move, moves, yep. And we're gonna put this up here like that, I suppose. Oh, the motor at the back. For this one, motor is also at the back. Well, the nozzle has to be in front. We should have checked. Nozzle in front, motor at the back, motor at the back. Okay, time to install. For real this time. Second screw. Turning around and do the other side. Now I'm going to tighten it. Not too tight. I'm not making it too tight, just in case. Just tight enough so that it doesn't wobble. Okay. The other side. With this. Next, I'm gonna wash the next step. Hang on. So it's a T bracket on the right. Right means there. T bracket on the right. Z bracket and Z limit switch on the left. So what we need to do is keep this horizontal, vertical, and horizontal. Slot it in. And try to lock it. This is the Z limit switch. Oops, I need a smaller one. So lock it. I can't turn my Allen key, so just pull it out a bit. Horizontal, vertical. Okay, slide in and tighten. Alright, I need to tighten all the wheels. And then tighten. And then now I want to tighten the belt. Tighten the belt. It's pretty tight actually. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next step. I don't know why, but it has become so loose. Maybe I shouldn't have touched it. I realized you have to loosen it enough to let it grab onto the metal slot. Keep it as tight as, push it out so that it's as tight as possible. Then you start locking it. working it, starting from the last one, and then probably I shouldn't have touched it just now. It was tight enough. So install some of the wiring. First of all, I think I'm gonna fix this. Install the spool holder and bracket. So I need to get bracket over here. Install it here, and then the bracket goes there. Bracket goes here, and the spool holder goes here. Like that. Go like that. I think I'll go like this. Yeah, I think this is the filament holder screw. Yep, this is the one. So take them all out. I'm gonna use sand tubes method and label everything. E stepper on here. So I'm gonna write. So E is on the side, and this is X stepper. X. So I'm just gonna tear a bit of masking tape and label it X stepper, X. This is Y. Y stepper. Y and Z stepper. So I'm using this. Should be X, E over here, X over here, Y over here, Z over here. Right, Z. Z over here. Right. Start with the first. This is Z. Z and Z. This connects to the Z stepper. I don't know how he gets his finger in there, but I can't seem to get my finger in here. Oops. So this direction. Yep, it slots in just fine. Alright. And then next one at the back. gonna slot in somewhere here. Okay, this 6-pin goes here. Yep. Can you see that? Yeah, just. And then this pin. So the 3 openings face inwards. Face inwards and slot in. Next, X stepper. X opening slot is facing outwards. Hang on, my dog wants to go out. So let's open the door for her. She's just woken up from her nap, so she's agitated. And then next one, this is also X. Opening, it's facing inwards. Because the pins are on the right hand side, so just let it slide in. Don't push it in, slide it in. If it doesn't slide in, that means it's the wrong direction. Gently push it in. Can you see that in here? And just push it in. And then next one is this one goes to E. So this one goes here. This one goes to E. So we labeled it previously, E. This one goes to E. And the pin opening the slots is the pin is on the upper part. Right, just slide it in. I think we're done. Let's see if I burn it. 4 pins. Wriggle it in a bit. Oh, there's make sure that the lock here is locked around 12. Then you can slide in easily. Facing 12 o'clock. And then the other one would be this one. Has I don't know how many pins there, but make sure the lock is 12 o'clock. I think the next thing I'll do is put back the glass. This glass. I took it down because I was blocking the way. So now that I'm done, I think I should be taking this out. And I put the clip back on. The wheel is blocking the way. I can't. The final clip. Okay. Hopefully it hits properly. And please don't explode. Please don't explode. Final part is the wiring. I'm just gonna. It's fused. Here. It's fixed at 230. So I'm just gonna. And pray that it doesn't explode. It shouldn't, but you never know. So it's plugged in. Please don't explode. This should light up. Dear Lord. Make sure no wires are hanging out anyway or blocking the wheels and the motor. Just want to make sure that everything's attached properly. Oh, one more thing is the filament. Let me turn this on. Oh, thank goodness, nothing happened. Okay, release that spring and then keep pushing. Keep pushing until you reach the end. Right now I have I'm gonna try auto home to see if my belts are too loose. So I'm gonna level the bed. So let me auto home it again. Now I want to disable the steppers. Go to prepare, down to disable steppers after you have auto home, and insert a piece of paper. If you can't slot your paper in. Slot your paper in, loosen your bed, the height of your bed. Clockwise is going up, anti-clockwise is going down. So I want it to go down, so I have to go anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Okay, and then I need to be able to slot a piece of paper in. Now it's too loose, so I'm just gonna tighten it a little. Anti-clockwise to loosen it. Yep. can feel the slight pressure on the problem with the plate. Just gonna get it here. Anti-clockwise to loosen, clockwise to tighten. Alright, now just slightly. Yep, and then now I have to move it. Move it. To the right. Move the bed. So every time I try to move it to the back of the bed, it screeches on the glass. So right now I want to loosen this. So same thing here, clockwise is tightened, anti-clockwise is loosened. Because it screeches on the glass, so I'm trying to move it backwards and at the same time checking that it's not too tight. Too loose, tighten it clockwise. Clockwise. Too tight. Yeah, that's probably it. Tighter. You can feel the scratching. Let's move it to the, I think it's too tight here, so I'm just gonna anti-clockwise. Yep. Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Yeah, this is perfect. Just to loosen it a bit more and then slightly tighter. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna redo this again just to be sure. Tighten it. Clockwise. Yep, I can feel the scratch. And then loosen it. Loose. Yep, feel the scratch. Too loose. Clockwise. Yep, I feel the scratch.
twice to loosen it. Clockwise to loosen it. That too is slightly tighter. So, yep, check the needle. Yep. It's scratchy. It's actually too tight. Let's change my shirt. Let's loosen it. I think you should do the leveling like at least minimum 3 times. To make sure that you get the average level in the middle. Now let's check the middle again. Always check the middle. I think since we always start printing in the middle, it's important to check that it's too tight. I'm loosen it. I slide this in. I can slide it in. So I'm gonna check. It's way too loose. It's way too tight. Loosen it up. Loosen it again. It's way too loose. Tighten. Tighten. That's fine. Boom. Loose. Loosen it. Oh, loosen it, of course. Tighten it slightly.
Right now what I'm trying to do is to test print my the cat model that came with it. Came with the package. So what I learned is that you have to power down, turn off your printer before you put it in, put your card in. Slowly. So click it in, turn it on. And then print from SD.
says the bed is heating up to 40 degrees, nozzle 25. I want to auto home it. How do I do it? Let me see. I'm just gonna let it be and see what happens. Test model, so it will hit up to 200 and start printing, hopefully, to show that everything's working fine.
So that's all everyone. I hope my video has helped you to install your 3D printer well. And over here, I would like to thank SendTube 3D for uploading his tutorial on how to install his. If you have enjoyed my content, please visit mitchtintin.com for more tutorials, and I'll be selling some molds I'll be making in the future with this machine. Please subscribe, and I'll be uploading more tutorials on 3D printing in the future. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Adios! Remember to click on my pink logo to subscribe. See you soon!